Can you wave? Can you say hi, Christy?
Hi, Cammy.
Can you say hi, Christy?
How are you?
Come here. Come here. Can we play with something? Do you want to play? Can I put you down? No. Can you go? You want to go down? No.
Oh, honey.
Let's see. What can we have you play with? Oh, what? Do you want to push buttons? Let's see how you do. You want to play a little bit?
Hello, let's play.
Can you push buttons? No. Can you bring them on the floor? No, she just will not let me put her down.
Please press a button.
And push. Okay, kitty, where's the kitty, kitty? Up here. Here's the cat. Can you push the cat? Okay, this is what you... Cat? Okay, kitty, yeah. No. Yeah. Monkey? That's kitty cat right there. Yeah, that's kitty cat. Do you want to sit on the floor? What was on the floor? What was on the floor? Transition to the floor. Want to go get it? Go get it. Can you go get it? Ball? Was there a ball on there? Oops. Can you go get the ball? Go get it. Can you go get it?
Please press a button.
No. You know, I need to put it down here because I can't hold it very well. How about if we sit? Can we sit? No. Okay. See, we can't even see how you move. Head? You do. Oh, you see the horsey? Where's the horsey? Kitty cat? Where's the kitty cat? That's doggy. There's the kitty cat. Can you push it? Push, see? Good job. Where's the doggy? Doggy. Yeah, can you push that one? Ruff, ruff, ruff. Good job. Yep. Where's the monkey? Whoa! Can you find the monkey? Where's the monkey? Monkey.
Please
Yeah.
press a button.
So you taught her sign language.
A lot, yeah.
Well, what? You're going to come by me? Come on. Come on.
I think that's good.